Alright traders, a lot of you keep asking me,
Alex, where do you analyze the markets?
so today I am breaking it all down for you. Personally, I use TradingView. It's one of the most comfortable and complete platforms out there. It's clean, powerful, and honestly, its tools are super easy to use, whether you're just starting out or already trading consistently. Once you learn it the right way, it makes charting 10 times easier. Now, I'm going to show you how to use TradingView like a pro. Step 1. Create your account. So first things first, you'll need to create a TradingView account from your browser. And don't worry, I left my link in the description so you can sign up directly. It also helps support the channel and the content I share here at the same time. Now, real quick, TradingView has both a free and paid version. The free plan is great to start with and is perfect if you're new. And the paid plans, if you want to log more tools and data, the paid plans are totally worth exploring. Step 2. Install the app. Once you've created your account, you can install the app either on your phone or your computer. And yes, it's the same account across all devices. Now listen, if you are on PC, I recommend downloading the desktop app. Trust me, it runs smoother and feels way more professional than using it on the browser. But what about the mobile app? If you're on your phone, the app is great for checking charts or alerts while you're out. This is step 3. Alright, now the fun part, how to use TradingView. How to actually use the platform. So the complete platform tutorial. I'm going to walk you through the TradingView on both desktop and on the phone so you can analyze the markets wherever you are, and we're covering everything step by step. The first, customizing your charts background. Learn how to personalize your charts appearance by adjusting the background colors and themes to match your trading style and reduce eye strain. Next, changing candle colors. Customize your candlestick colors. You can change bullish and bearish colors so your chart is instantly readable. Then adjusting your time zone settings to make sure your charts display the correct time for your location so you can accurately track market opens, closes, and key trading sessions. Then it's crucial because if your chart shows the wrong time, your sessions and opens will be off, and that affects your entire analysis. After that, adding tools, trend lines, zones, and indicators. You'll learn how to use the essential drawing tools and technical indicators that will help you identify trends, support and resistance levels, and potential entry and exit points. What you'll learn. So by the end of this tutorial, you're going to know how to use drawing tools, trend lines, horizontal lines, and shapes, how to use zone marking, support and resistance areas, how to apply your technical indicators, moving average, RSI, MACD, and more chart analysis, combining tools for the complete market analysis. Saving your analysis and how to save your analysis to track it easily. Learn the proper way to save and organize your chart layouts, drawings, and watch lists so you can quickly access your work and monitor your trading ideas over time. And if you want quick tips like this every day and want to keep up with my journey, I'm on Instagram, FXAlex. Make sure to drop a follow there. Before we dive in, get your account ready. Make sure you've already created your account using the link in the description. That way you can follow the tutorial step by step with me and set up your TradingView just like a professional trader. Alright? So if you're ready to trade like a pro, let's get into it together. Follow along with this tutorial and transform your trading analysis workflow with the TradingView's powerful tools. And hey, if you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe. Don't miss a single insight. Subscribe to the channel for more expert trading videos and stay updated with the exclusive breakdowns, tips, and tutorials. We are all set. We're inside TradingView. Now that we're inside TradingView, let's quick set up the chart so everything looks clean, simple, and optimized for trading. Let's start by customizing the chart's background. To do that, just right-click anywhere in the chart and open Settings. Then go to Appearance, for the canvas tab. Here you'll find different options to change the background color and overall theme, like dark, light, blue, other kind of blue, or any custom tone you prefer. In this same menu, go to symbol. This is where you can change the color of your candles. Personally, I like my bullish candles to be blue or green, and my bearish candles to be red, but you can set them however you like. Just below that, you'll also find the time zone settings. This part is very important, so your chart matches your local trading sessions accurately. There are many other sections inside the settings panel. Feel free to explore them and get used to it. Where everything is, the faster you navigate through these tools, the easier TradingView will feel. Now let's move to the right side of the screen. Click on the plus icon. This is where you can choose the pair or market you want to analyze. As you can see, you can filter by category: stocks, funds, futures, Forex, crypto, indices, bonds, economy, or options. In our case, we'll be focusing mainly on Forex. Let's select a pair, for example, Euro and US dollar. Now, when you type EURUSD, you'll see several options appear. You'll see the same pair listed. Each one is connected to a different broker. On the right hand side of each result, you'll see the broker's name, for instance, Wanda, FX, CM, or others. Personally, I always choose the ones from Wanda. It's important to select the right broker fit because price movement, entry points, stop loss, and take profit levels can vary slightly between brokers, sometimes by just a few pips. Remember, even a 1-2 pip difference can change your stop loss or take profits, so pick one broker and stay consistent. You can also label your favorite pairs. For example, if you're tracking multiple charts, you can color tag the ones that look interesting or are setting up for a potential trade. And if you ever want to share your charts with other traders, you can take a snapshot by clicking the camera icon on the top right, then select copy image to share it directly. Alright, now let's talk about time frames. To choose them, go to the top section of the screen. They're divided into minutes, hours, and days. For me, I usually like to use diverse. 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or even the 1 day chart. Each one shows a different part of the story. Of course, that depends on your trading style, scalping, intraday, or the swing. You'll use them differently and your time frames will change. And if you're not sure what type of trader you are yet, check out my other video here where I explain that in detail. I leave the link right next to this one and also in the description. Now, just so you know, in the free plan, some of these time frames are limited. Once you begin trading seriously, or if you are already an intermediate or advanced trader, or if you trade multiple pairs, you can explore TradingView's paid plans to log more tools. I'll leave the link in the description in case you want to explore them later. Next to the time frames, you'll see the option to change your chart type. I personally keep it simple. Japanese candlestick are perfect for me, and right next to that you'll find the indicator stop. If you already have one in mind, just type its name and add it. You can also explore and test different indicators to see which ones fit your style best. Now, one more thing. The free version doesn't include real-time replay for past market data. That is part of the paid plans, and it's actually super useful for backtesting, because it lets you practice your setups more accurately and refine your strategy over time. Alright, now let's move to the left side of the screen. Here we've got all the tools we use to draw, mark, or measure on the chart. The first one is the cursor tool. This helps you stay oriented on the chart and point exactly where you're working on or observing. Next, we have the trendline tools. There's a lot of variety here, but honestly, I mostly use just a few. The basic trend line to mark channels, and the horizontal line or horizontal ray to draw support and resistance zones. You can explore the others too and see what works best for your own analysis. Then we've got the Fibonacci tools. To be honest, I only use the standard Fibonacci retracement. It's the one that gives me everything I need. After that, you'll find the projection tools. To be honest, this is what most traders are excited about, because here's where you can mark your stop loss and take profit levels. For example, you can even customize their colors depending on whether it's a buy or a sell setup. If this is helping you so far, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show these more traders like you. Next up, the geometry shapes section. Really useful for visual notes. You've got arrows to highlight price reactions or key moments, and the rectangle tool, which I personally use a lot, to mark support and resistance zones as areas instead of lines, because remember, support and resistance are zones, not single lines, and using rectangles gives you a clearer visual of how wide that area really is. If you want a full breakdown about support and resistance, I left a video right here in the corner. Just tap it. You'll also find the Annotation Tools, which are great if you want to write notes directly on your chart. For example, to label a key level or jot down a quick observation. And yes, at the bottom, you even have emojis, so your chart doesn't look too serious all the time. There are more tools in this section, so take your time to explore and see which ones fit your trading style. If you ever want to delete something you've drawn, just click on it and select remove, simple as that. Finally, let's talk about alerts. If you want to set an alert, just go to your charts. Let's say you're waiting for the price to reach a certain support or resistance zone. Once you found that point, click on the plus icon next to the price level and select Add Alert. That's it. Once price hits that level, the alert will trigger automatically. Super helpful when you don't want to stare at the screen all night. Now, if you're just getting started in this world of trading, remember this. A clean and simple chart is always better than one filled with random lines and drawings. Focus on what really matters, clarity and precision. A free plan of trading is great to start with, but once you feel your trading style needs more tools or data, you can check out the paid plans directly on TradingView's website. And that's it. Now you know the basics to set up and use TradingView like a pro. If you want the psychology, discipline, and emotional tools that can make strategies actually work, check out my Unstoppable Trader tools. It's in the description. If this could help someone you trade with, if you know a trader who keeps their charts messy, feel free to share it either way. Now let's move to the mobile version traders. It's basically the same as on the computer. Once you've registered using the link in the description, open the TradingView app on your phone, go to the charts section, tap on the pencil icon, and you'll see the main tools: trend lines, Fibonacci, patterns, measurement tools, geometric shapes, and more. If you want to customize your charts or the candles, just double tap any candle. From there, you can change the settings, chart style, colors, time zone, and make it look exactly how you want. So there you go. Now your TradingView is fully set up, both on desktop and on mobile. Simple, clean, and ready to trade anywhere. If you have any questions about any of these tools, just drop it in the comments below. I'm always checking what you guys ask for. Remember, trading is about clarity, a clean chart, a calm mind, and a structured plan. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more tools and trading lessons. And if you don't want to miss the next breakdown, turn on the bell for new lessons every week. Trade and sleep.